yeah, I'm heading out to Burlington. I just want to look. Hopefully I'm strong enough just to look. If I find some things that I know I'm gonna need, I'm gonna pick it up. But my primary reason for being out of the house right now is to go buy some groceries. So we're gonna see. I'm in a friend's car right now. I'm not used to having a key in my hand because my car, you open it from the door as well as push start. So I'm not used to having a key in my hand. So I'm just kind of like all over the place, confused, honestly. Truthfully, honestly. But nonetheless, I'm grateful and thankful. This is just a whole mess been going on with my car situation. I just haven't been talking about it, truthfully, because it's a bit annoying. So you know when something's really bothering you and it's out of your control, you kind of just don't want to talk about it. So that's kind of why I haven't really said anything besides to people in my actual life, but I haven't talked about it on camera because it is a big deal, but it's not a big deal to rant about it all day long. Like, I just have to wait and be patient. But in the meantime, gotta live my life as well and go to work. So that's what I've been doing. This little freaking idiot don't know how to freaking drive. I do miss my car though. So I'm in a big body Lexus. I always wanted a Lexus car because my last name is Alexis, so it only made sense. Growing up, I always said I'm gonna get a Lexus vehicle. So right now I'm in a big Lexus, but when I say big, I mean this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think it's just, I don't know how many seats in here. Yes, we are free this weekend to pick them up. Anywho, I'll see you guys when I pull up at Burlington.
Around midnight, way up high, there's an angel in the sky. The glitter and the shine, she must be divine. What a night, what a sight. Ring the bells loud and clear. Have the reindeers reappear. Take my hand, you promised land. Here we go. I have wished upon a star. I've sent my wishes far to get you in every way. I had given up hope when the snow started falling, but then I knew it was you. Around midnight, way up high, there's an angel every night. Take my...
Before I was rudely interrupted, we're about to go through all of my Christmas things from the previous year and see what we got, see what I need to continue to purchase. I'm not going to purchase too much things because I don't want to overdo it, but yeah, so it's about to be a whole situation. Here's most of the stuff right now, just laying on the floor. As you can see, a lot of red and black because last year I bought most of these things with my boyfriend, but I didn't have my apartment yet, so everything was matching his apartment. We just spent Christmas together and I helped him decorate. So yeah, I'm spending Christmas here now, and there's certain things that I'm not going to use because it's black, and I don't really have use for black because my furniture, my couches are all a suede gray. So some stuff will not be used because that's not the theme I'm going for, but then I might just use it now for just to save some money because his couches were black, so it went perfectly with his, but you know. So I just got to figure out what I'm going to keep, what I'm not going to keep. So this red pillow, nah. if I can find a pillow cover for it, I most likely will order some pillow covers on Amazon. And I have this. This I definitely will keep. The keep pile. And the maybe. Well, I'm just going to get a cover for that. So as you can see, all of the pillows have black and red. So I'm not really a fan of that. I'm going to keep this, but I'm going to take these off. And I'm going to zhuzh it up with some white and gold. There's this tree thing. Your Christmas. What's in here? Little tree thing. It's a little tacky. I'm actually going to take probably some of these to my classroom. Alright, so this is what we're working with. Now I know there's certain things I will need to buy. So I'm going to take you guys along with me tomorrow. I'll try to do some shopping tomorrow. But I definitely need a lot more white, gold, and rose gold because everything here is red and black.